हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू एडिशन ऑफ देसी शेयर मार्केट। देसी शेयर मार्केट यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम देखेंगे वारन बुफेट पोर्टफोलियो इन इंडियन शेयर मार्केट। So why everyone talking about Warren Buffett? Who is Warren Buffett? So he is one of the wealthiest and most influential people in American business. He's the third richest man as per the Forbes 400. He's having a net worth of 72 billion US dollars, and he is famous for his investment selections. एक अमेरिकन इन्वेस्टर है। अब सभी को इसका बारे में मालूम है। एंड इसका जो वैल्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए फेमस है। इसका जो एनुअल CAGR वो स्टैंडर्ड एंड पुअर 500 से भी ज्यादा है। वी विल सी दैट चार्ट फॉर द ईयर 1987 to 2017 his growth rate was 14.9 and S&P was only 9.4%. He is even crossing the industrial benchmarks. So he is famous for his good selection of stocks. You will see his portfolios, and his stocks are listed in Indian stock market as well. We will see four of them. Please do watch, subscribe, and like and comment. So let's explore the stocks. The first one is from the FMCG sector, fast moving consumer goods, and industries, household and personal products. It's a large cap company with a market capital of 40,000, 44.7 crore. Earnings per share is 204.8. Industry PE is 63.94. The stock PE is 60.24. Book value per share is 427.9. Price to book value is 28.83. Dividend yield is 0.85. The total number of shares subscribed is only 3.25 crore. And the company introduction, our brands are trusted in millions of living rooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and bathrooms, and have been passed down from generation to generation over the course of 181 years. They have challenged convention, led innovation, and helped shape culture. So let's see which company is this. Before seeing the, let's see the brands. These are the brands by the company. You can see from the chart: Pampers, Gillette, Ariel, Tide, Closter, Whisper, and Clay. These are the famous brands of the company. The pros and cons of the company. Company is almost debt-free company. Company has a good return on equity. ROE is good. And 3-year ROE is 48.43%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 60.5%. Its dividend yield is very good. The cons are the stock is trading at 30.33 times of its book value. We have seen उसका जो आज का प्राइस 30 गुना है उसका बुक वैल्यू से. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 5.16% over past 5 years. There is a high competition facing in the market. But look at the CAGR, the CAGR is 24% for the last 10 years. It is really good, really good. 24% is really good for a company, and in long term, always do invest in long term. This is 24% growth. The dividends announced so far, there is an upcoming dividend for this company as well. On February 10th, there is an dividend of 85 rupees with a record date of February 11th. So the next dividend date is February 10th. You can buy today and tomorrow. Today is February 8th and tomorrow is February 9th. You can buy the stock to get the dividend. So the very previous dividend track records, you can see that it's a regularly consistent dividend giving company. All the year they have given a good amount of money as dividend. In 2003 they have given a bonus even as 1:2. So this is about the BDS bonus dividends and splits. The company is Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare Limited, and BSE stock symbol is 500 459, and NSE stock symbol is PGHH. The second stock is from the healthcare and pharmaceutical sector. The industry is pharmaceutical and drugs. It's a mid-cap company with a market capital of 11,890.72 crore. The earnings per share is 101.99, P is 70.24, industry P is 36.06, book value is 580.54. Price to book value is 12.34 with a dividend yield of 3.21, which is a really good dividend yield. It is situated at Usgaon, Goa. Our manufacturing site has grown from a small vitamin E product unit to a big composite plant manufacturing pharma and chemical products. So it's a very good company with a very good growth rate. These are the brands: Neurobion, Kaita, Femibion, Navisin, 7Cs, Bion 3, Dolo Neurobion. These are the brands of the company. The pros, the good things about the company are the company is almost debt free, has delivered a good profit growth of 42.74 CAGR. Oh, that's great. So 42.74% CAGR for the last 5 years. Company has a good return on equity and 3-year ROE is 38.3. Company is maintaining a healthy dividend payout 87.96%. Debtor days has improved from 39.41 to 25.65 days. The stock is trading at 13.14 times of its the book value. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 9.34% for the past 5 years. Here also the competition is good. And the CAGR of the company for the last 10 years, 28%. And you can see in the 5 years, it has given 60%, 3 years, 69%, 1 year, 66%. It's a very good growth rate company. You can consider and add into your watch list. So they are also giving dividends consistently. They are giving in the last year alone, they have given a very good dividend of 230 rupees. You can see from the chart 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, all the years they are giving very good dividends. The company name is Procter & Gamble Health Limited. BSE stock symbol is 500 126. NSE stock symbol is PGHL. Stock number 3 is from the healthcare sector again. It's a pharmaceutical and drugs industry company. It's a large cap company with a capital of 20,662.42 crore. Earnings per share is 109.31. Price to earnings ratio is 41.32. Industry P is 36.06. Book value is 468.23. Price to book value is 9.65. Dividend yield, look at the dividend yield, 7.31. Number of shares subscribed is only 4.57 crore. The company has over 1 lakh shareholders in India with annual sales of 2000 crores. It's the 4th largest multinational pharmaceutical company in India. Company has a portfolio of over 150 products across 150 therapeutic areas. These are the brands from the pain relief, VMS, respiratory, digestive health, therapeutic oral health and skin health. These are the brands of the company. So the good things or the pros about the company is almost debt free, and the company has delivered a good profit growth of 38.52% of CAGR over the last 5 years. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 115.31%, and but the stock is trading at 9.64 times of its book value. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of 3.04%. 10-year CAGR is 14%, 5-year is 16%, 3-year is 26%, and last 1 year 11% of CAGR the company has given. And looking at the dividend, 2020, 19, 17, 18, 16, all the years they are giving the dividends. And in 2000 they have given a bonus as well, 1:1. The company name is Pfizer India Limited. BSE stock symbol is 500 680. NSE stock symbol is Pfizer. So the last stock for the day, stock number 4 is again from the FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, household and personal products. It's a mid cap company with a capital of 18,411.14 crore. Earnings per share is 84.25. Price to earnings ratio is 67.06. Industry P is 63.94. Book value is 306.75. Price to book value is 18.42 with a dividend yield of 0.87%. These are the brands, Venus and Gillette. From this itself, you know the company. Let's see the other explanation about the company. The pros and cons of the company. Company is almost debt free. Company has a good return on equity. 3-year ROE is 32.96%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 52.93%. Stock is trading at 19.86 times of its book value, and company has delivered a poor sales growth of minus 2.18% over the past 5 years. 10-year CAGR is 14%, and last 1 year the price has gone down minus 11 percentage. And dividends all the year, they are also giving consistent dividend. And February 11 also there is a next date, which is coming only. Today is 8, 9 and 10. Tomorrow and after tomorrow you can buy this stock to get a dividend of 33 rupees. And all the year they are giving good dividends. Company name is Gillette India Limited. BSE stock symbol is 507815, NSE stock symbol is Gillette. So these are the four stocks from Warren Buffett portfolio in the Indian stock market. These all are value stocks which are invested by Warren Buffett. So please do a good financial analysis before investing in these stocks. This is not a stock suggestion or recommendation. Please do investigate and study about these stocks. Wish you all happy investing. Please do subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you. Thank you.